For today's video, I am talking to you all about the Leaf Shave Triple Blade Razor. I'm going to be giving you guys my review and also giving you guys all the details about this, how to set it up, all of that stuff. And I'm also going to be talking about some other products from Leaf Shave as well that do kind of go with this and can kind of enhance the shaving experience with this. So if that interests you, let's go ahead and get right into it. I did end up reaching out to Leaf Shave and I did ask if they might be open to sending some items my way so that I could give them a try and then create a video for you guys. But this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to make this video, but I did want to let you know that these were kindly gifted to me, but that is not going to sway my opinion at all. If there's anything that I don't like about it, I will definitely let you know. Starting off, this is a safety razor. So the whole idea behind a safety razor is that it's going to be more sustainable. If sustainability is important to you and being eco-friendly, then investing in a good safety razor is really, really great. It might seem more expensive up front, but overall it's really going to save you a lot of money in the long run. And it's just so much better for the environment because you're no longer purchasing, disposable razors that really just don't last long, and you just have to keep repurchasing them over and over again, and you're adding more plastic to the environment. So if sustainability is important to you, then you might be really interested in looking into a safety razor like this one. So this one is the Triple Blade Razor, and I have tried like single blade safety razors in the past and I've really liked them, but I discovered this one a few months ago and I've been really enjoying it. So let's talk about price point first. So this does retail for $84 for the handle, which I know that does seem like a lot up front, but you do have to consider that this is something that I feel like can honestly last like a lifetime. It's high quality material. It's kind of has like a little bit of weight to it, but this is just something that's going to last you a very long time. If not a lifetime, it should probably last you like 10 years or more. Like, I just don't see why it wouldn't last a super long time because, it is, I gotta figure out what material this is, but it is going to last you a long time, and you're saving money by not having to purchase disposable razors over and over again. So yes, it is a kind of like a hefty fee up front to buy the handle, but after that it's quite affordable. The actual blade refills are very affordable, which I will get into later as well. But remember, you are going to be saving money in the long run after the initial investment in getting the handle. This specific razor from Leaf Shave, it comes in 8 colors. This is of course the black color here. I just thought it looked really sleek and pretty, but they do have other colors as well, like a rose gold, silver, and a variety of other colors as well. So lots of color options. Something that I think is great and really kind of stands out to me about Leaf Shave is that they do offer a refund if you don't love it within 60 days. So you can use it, test it out, try it for 60 days, and if you don't love it, you can return it for a full refund within that 60-day period. So that is really cool, and to me that really stands out and shows to me that Leaf Shave really does believe in their product. They believe that it is high quality and that people are just gonna love it. So that is something that stands out to me. I love it when brands do that. It really shows that they believe in their product. So that's really cool. This is just a great sustainable swap because, zero plastic, and honestly I feel like I get a better shave with this, which again I'll get into in a little bit. Plastic razors are also often layered, or like they have lubricating strips on them, and that could be with whatever ingredients. You don't even necessarily know what ingredients they're using in it. It could be like petroleum based agents that can potentially irritate the skin. And in my experience, even though like sometimes those razors that have those lubricating strips on them, they can give you a really good shave at first. I feel like I can get like 1 or 2 good shaves out of it. I feel like after that they just start to irritate my skin and they just really don't last a long time. So then you end up having to get more and just keep repurchasing refills of it, and I feel like it just does not last a long time, and I feel like it just causes more irritation. Whereas with a safety razor like this one, I really feel like I don't get irritation with this, especially if I'm using like an oil or a soap or whatever when I am shaving. So what is included in the box when you get the Triple Blade Razor? Of course, you're going to get the razor handle, and it also includes 10 blades. So this, of course, it's Triple Blade Razor. It requires 3 blades, so it does already come with 10 blades for you to use. So it kind of gives you a little bit of a starter pack there for the blades, but their blade replacements are very affordable, and I'm going to get into the pricing of that in a little bit, but very affordable, much more affordable than other like razor blade or cartridge refills. Also, something to note is that both the blade and the handle are recyclable as scrap metal if you were wanting to recycle this eventually, even though you you'd probably keep the handle for quite a long time, but the actual blades as well, they are recyclable as scrap metal. The features of this razor: this has a pivoting head, which makes it easy to maneuver. It has that triple blade to give a better shave, and it also has adjustable closeness, so you can get a really nice close shave, and it has magnetic loading assist, so it makes it super easy to set up, which I will show you in a little bit. Then I wanted to talk about some of the shaving accessories that Leaf Shave has. So they have a shave oil, they have a calming serum, and they also have a shave soap. So starting off with the shave oil, this has only 6 ingredients, so I love that. Very simple ingredient list. It has sunflower oil, grapeseed, jojoba, almond, rosehip, and also vitamin E. So you just apply this to wet skin and then you rub it in, and then you apply the shave soap after. So the shave soap, this also has a really nice simple ingredient list. It only has 8 ingredients and it's unscented, so it shouldn't cause any irritation. The shave soap helps to protect the skin while you shave. So what I like to do and what they recommend that you do is that they say that you apply the shave oil first and you apply it to wet skin, and then you apply the shave soap on top of that. And then after you shave, that is when the calming serum comes into play. This is a post-shave serum packed with antioxidants and omegas 3 and 6. It helps you nourish the skin and also promote healing. So what you do for this is you just apply this after you shave and fully rinse your skin, and you put it on areas prone to irritation. It helps with preventing ingrown hairs, which is really great. Especially I feel like it's great for the bikini area to prevent irritation, and you really only need to apply a few drops of this, so a little goes a long way. So I really like all 3 of these. I use all 3 of them, and I find that it just makes the shaving experience even better, and it helps to prevent irritation. So that is really great, and I'm able to just get a really nice close shave. And I really feel like with safety razors, and this one especially because it does have 3 blades, I feel like I just get a really good close shave, and it just makes my skin a lot softer than it does if I'm using a disposable razor. I get that disposable razors are definitely convenient sometimes. I do still use disposable razors sometimes, but for the most part, I do like to stick to using a safety razor. Again, it's just a good sustainable option, and I find that I get a really good shave with it. But I totally understand that sometimes you might want to use a disposable razor because it might be easier in some instances. And you know, using a safety razor does take a little bit of a learning curve at first. However, overall, it really is pretty much the same as any other disposable razor as far as like how you use it. So it might take just a little bit of a learning curve. However, it's not difficult. So now let's talk about the blade refills, the blade packs that they have. So they actually have 3 different options that you can choose from depending on how many blades you want to get. So they do have a 50 blade option that equals out to 24 cents a blade, and the 50 pack is only $12. So that's already very affordable, but it gets even more affordable. They also offer a 100 blade pack, and that equals to 19 cents each, and the 100 pack is $19. Or you can get the 200 blades, that equals out to 15 cents each, and the 200 blades pack is $30. So very, very affordable for the blade refills. And remember, this one specifically takes the 3 blades, so that is just gonna last you a long time. I think even the 50 blade option is going to last you a long time, but the best deal that you're gonna get is if you do get the 200 blades. Really quite an affordable option to get the blade refills, much more affordable compared to plastic razor refills. You get a lot more and it's gonna last you a long time, and there's no plastic when it comes to a safety razor, so that's great. They say that a single pack of 50 leaf blades is roughly the same footprint as 1 plastic cartridge refill. So getting a safety razor is both economical and eco-friendly. They also offer a recycling tin, which is really nice. It's only $4 for the recycling tin. This is a great place to safely store your used blades and guards, and you can just recycle it as scrap metal when it's full, and the recycling tin holds a lot of blades. They also have a variety of accessories for their razor on their website, including a shower holder. They have a grip sleeve, and they also have a stand. I personally really want to get the shower holder. That would be really nice. But I do have their leaf stand, and this is a really nice way to display the razor on your countertop. It features an embedded rubber foot so it stays in place, and it has a drainage hole to help the razor dry after each use. The stand comes in 8 colors that match with the colors of the razor, so you can get a matching razor stand. So they do have a lot of great great accessories to choose from if that interests you. Now let's talk about how exactly to set up the razor. So it's super simple. First, you just unscrew the knob on the back, you pull back the little plates, and then you just pop each blade in, one on the very bottom, one in the middle, and then also one on the top. The blades fit really nicely into these little notches, and then you just flip the top back on, then you tighten the knob again. You just want to make it snug, but don't over tighten it. So very, very easy to set up. And then as far as using it, if you're new to a safety razor, like I had mentioned before, it might take a little bit of a learning curve, but overall it's very similar to using a regular razor. Compared to a single blade safety razor, this 3-blade razor is even better in my opinion, because I feel like it just gives an even closer shave and it just makes my skin so soft. A safety razor, and this one specifically, is just such a great sustainable swap if that is something that you're interested in. And if you just want to save money in the long run on a razor, and if you're just not wanting to always repurchase regular plastic refills, this is just gonna last a very long time, if not a lifetime. Again, you just have that upfront cost that does seem a little bit expensive, with it being $84 for the handle, but again, you're just paying that up front, and then the blade refills are very affordable. So overall, this is just a great razor. I really like it. I've really enjoyed it. I love it for the fact that it's a more sustainable option, and I also simply just love it for the fact that I don't have to keep spending money on plastic razor refills all the time, and I really just love the shave that I get with this. I feel like I get less irritation when I use a safety razor like this, and I'm just very impressed with this 3-blade model. I haven't tried other leaf shave models before of their razors. I haven't tried their single blade razors, but I have tried another brand that has a safety razors that it was just a 1-blade safety razor, and I did really like that. I got a really good shave with it, but I really like this one even more. I feel like it's kind of more sleek design, and also the fact that it has those 3 blades, I feel like it just gives an even closer shave. So I really like this, and I definitely think it is worth it, especially in the long run. It's just a great option, much more sustainable. So I really like it, and I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested in trying out Leaf Shave, I will have everything that I have mentioned in today's video listed and linked in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, and this video is the reason that you are interested in giving Leaf Shave a try, it would mean so much if you would use one of the links in the description box below. It's no additional cost to you, but it really does help to support my channel so that I can continue creating free videos like this on YouTube for you guys that hopefully you guys are finding helpful. If you did enjoy this video and you found it helpful, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this razor or any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. If you are new here and you're not already subscribed to my channel and you would like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.